A chain can be a very versatile addition to our cook system or camp setup. So today we're going to take a look at how it actually works. So this is the style chain that I found absolute best for this setup, and it is somewhat like a figure 8 style chain. I don't know the exact name of this chain, but you can get this at any hardware store if you just look around. What I've done then was I got a 40-inch piece. That seems to be best for everything I do, my size tripods that I normally make. And then I took the link on each end and I just bent it out. Okay, and that will actually allow us to clip this in to itself. Okay, very easy, very simple. To gain maximum versatility when using a chain, it's very simple. We're gonna today assume that we have a tripod, and I like to use the 2-loop method. And what the 2-loop method is that we're gonna take our hook end on one side, we're gonna come across the top of our tripod and create just a loop. Very simple. So I have a loop, and that's what's holding it to the top of the tripod here. The second loop is gonna be created on the bottom end. And that is what's gonna hold our Dutch oven or our kettle or our bush pot in place. So you can see I'm creating this second loop at this point. I'm just putting the hook into the chain, and now I have one loop here and one loop here. And why this creates the most versatility is very simple. If we want to lower this oven, all that we need to do is pick it up and lower it down a few notches. Okay, so every link in this chain offers a new height level to our fire. So there's a lot of adjustability here, even more than using a basic toggle with a string. One thing that also works really well with this though is if this is low for some reason, especially with camp kettles or bush pots, and this chain gets very hot and I need to maybe pick it up, I can come up higher on this chain and I can loosen it up this way, and now I brought it up. Okay, I can even bring it up higher if I would need to, or if it's very hot and I need to lower it, I can do the same thing. I can lower it down again. So there's just a lot of versatility with using a chain like this with the 2-loop method, because every link, again, gives us a new measurement adjustment. So that's what I found most effective when using a chain. Do I think it's better than a toggle or not? I do think it has more advantages when cooking by far. I think for general purpose, just I'm stopping somewhere, setting up a quick camp, a toggle is probably a way to go. You don't have to worry about it. As long as you've corded, you can make a toggle setup. But the chain for cooking and then very fine adjustments is great. I love it. I'm hooked on it. It's going in my cook kit. So it's something to think about. This was Dan Walwick of Coalcracker Bushcraft. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next video, stay in the woods.